Penelope the pigeon and Gary the giraffe are best friends with a playful problem. Gary has the silliest hiccups ever. They're so loud that all the animals in Jolly Jungle can't stop giggling. Penelope suggests they visit the legendary Hiccup Hideaway, a hidden place rumored to cure any hiccup. Along their journey, they encounter acrobatic ants and silly snails who offer hiccup-curing tips, like standing on one foot while humming a tune. Finally, at Hiccup Hideaway, they meet Rhonda the wise raccoon, who teaches them a hilarious laughter exercise to rid Gary of his hiccups. Through this comical adventure, children learn the importance of problem-solving and how humor can bring joy to any challenge.